In this video, we will talk about the Virtual Parent Bundle product that is created whenever we set up a bundle builder using the Easy Bundles app. When we create a bundle builder, whether it's a landing page bundle builder or a product page bundle builder, the app automatically creates a virtual bundle product. This is important because the technology we use for bundling relies on this product being active and available in the store. This setup allows the bundled products to appear as a single product and then splits them up during checkout and in the order detail section, applying the correct discount. For both landing pages and product page bundle builders, this virtual product is created. In the case of product page bundle builders, the widget shows up on the specific product page created by the app. By default, an image and some description are added to the product. Also, by default, the product status is set to unlisted. This means the product can be purchased if someone has the link, but it cannot be found by anyone browsing or searching the store unless they have the direct link. If you want to edit this product, simply click Edit the Product here. This opens a modal with the regular Shopify product editing interface, where you can change the status from unlisted to active, update the description, change images, adjust the price, or make any other changes you need. Any changes made here are automatically synced with our app. You can use this section to change the product status. If you want the product to be visible in your store, for product page bundles, you can set it to active. For full page bundles, it is automatically created as unlisted, so customers do not land on this product unless you want to show it on a specific collection page. It is important to make sure this product is either active or unlisted so the discounts work correctly. If the product is set to draft, the discounts for the bundle will stop working. If you have any more questions about customizing the parent product or showing the parent products only on specific pages, please reach out to us on the chat support. We are happy to help.